Good day everyone. Today I want to share what I have learned about the subject empowerment technology. Empowerment, authority or power given to someone to do something. And next, technology, application of scientific knowledge for practical purpose, especially in industry. In short, empowerment technology can make our life easier. And next, Web 1.0, which is bawal mag-react, read only. Web 0.20, pwede na mag-react, react and read. Web 0.30, no one controls your data. We also discussed the three major threats, which is spam. Ito po yung pag nag-online tayo, ito po yung mga nagpa-pop up na lang na unwanted messages. Next is phishing, kumukuha ng password or other sensitive information. Next is malware, ito po yung malicious software. And we also discussed the hardware. Ito po yung mga nahahawakan, tapos yung software po, ito po yung mga app sa cellphone natin. Next is file type. Ito po yung text, image and graphics, audio and video. And we have also 7 types of malware, which is virus, worms, Trojan viruses, spyware, hardware, ransomware, and fileless malware. Yung fileless malware po, ito po yung pinakadelikado sa lahat. In second quarter, I learned the basic principle of graphics and layout, which is balance, proximity, white space, alignment, repetition, infographics, color, and contrast. We also have the 2 types of balance, which is symmetrical balance, ito po yung pantay, tapos yung asymmetrical balance, hindi po pantay. We also discussed the 4 types of platforms. Number 1 is social media. Example po nito is Facebook and Messenger. Next is e-commerce. Example naman po nito is Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, and Amazon. Next is online learning. Example po nito is Gmeet. And last, online video. Ito po yung mga napapanood natin sa mga YouTube, yung mga tutorial po.